Hi friends! Today, I'm going to make soft pretend scissors out of cardboard. We'll help Dad with a safe, crafty tool for little hands. We can use pictures and videos from pexels.com to see each step. Ready to snip-snap safely? First, let's gather our things. We need a small piece of thin cardboard, a pencil, a child-safe pair of scissors, one paper fastener, also called a brad, a crayon or marker, and some stickers. Ask a grown-up to help you. Step 1. Draw. On the cardboard, I draw 2 long ovals for the blades. At one end of each oval, I draw a big circle for the finger holes, like 2 friendly fish with round tails. Step 2. Cut. With child-safe scissors and a helper watching, I cut both shapes out. Snip, snip, slow and steady. Step 3. Make a tiny hole. I ask my grown-up to poke a little hole at the skinny ends of both pieces. The holes stack on top of each other. Step 4. Connect. We slide the brad through both holes. Open the brad legs flat. Now the pieces can open and close like real scissors, but soft. Step 5. Decorate. I color the handles. I add stickers and a smiley face. Hello, happy scissors. Practice time. I hold one finger hole with my thumb and the other with 2 fingers. Open, close, open, close. Snip the air. Let's try safe materials. We can pretend cut yarn, soft Play-Doh snakes, or paper strips a grown-up made. No hair, no clothes, no pets. Great job, helpers. We made gentle cardboard scissors and learned how hands open and close tools. Want to show Dad? Say, Dad, look, I can snip, snip. Find friendly craft pictures and videos on pexels.com to follow along. Thanks for crafting with me today. Bye-bye, little make.